Hello and welcome to this video. What is full stack web development? Full stack web development is the ability to develop web-based applications using both the front end skills and back end skills. The front end skills refers to the client software for the application, while the backend skills refers to the server software for the application. A full stack web developer or engineer is someone who can develop both the front end and the back end of a website or an application. So they can tackle projects that involves databases, building user-facing websites, or even working with clients during the planning phase of the project. To be a full-stack web developer, you need to have both skills for the front-end part and also skills for the back-end. So for front-end skills, it includes things like HTML, CSS, Bootstrap, and JavaScript. These four are the key ones that most web applications will have. So every web application should have some HTML in it, some CSS, and some JavaScript. There are other technologies you can use within the front-end skills development depending on the type of project you are working on. For example, you can use JSON, XML, jQuery, Angular, React, GraphQL, and so on. I've just listed a few here, but there are so many more front-end skills that you can acquire based on the type of projects that you are developing. You also need the back-end skills, and back-end skills includes things like Node.js, Express.js, REST, Python, Mongo, ASP, and so on. So depending on your type of project, you can use any of these back-end skills to build or develop the project. So if you have any of these back-end skills and some of the front-end skills, that should give you the ability to develop full-stack web applications and become a full-stack web engineer or developer. Hello and welcome to this video. I will be introducing you to the basic tools required for a beginner to start learning web development. The basic tools you need to start learning web development are obviously a computer. So you can be using a Windows, a Mac, or Linux. This could be desktop or laptop. Any good working computer or laptop should be fine at this beginner stage. Next, you need a text editor. This is a piece of software where you can write your computer code. There are different types. Some are free, others are paid for. Next, you need a web browser. When you are developing, you should use just one web browser, for example, Google Chrome, but it is a good idea to have all the major web browsers installed on your computer for testing purposes, so your application behaves the same across all the modern web browsers.